Working on this Tiida. I have motor and regulator to change. As you can see, customer wedged the glass there. Not working at all. Cable strip and the motor get weak. And also there's some fog lights to wire up and install a headlight switch with fog down feature. Alright, so the 4-in-use regulator there, 4-in-use headlamp switch with the fog lamps feature, because the customer don't have any right now. So I'll install these things and get working. Alright, so fog lamp switch, the light switch with fog lamp feature only. On the dash again, the fog lamp icon on, and already bolt up the regulator and motor. We're working in now. Down. See the fog light on. Yeah. Right. We're also going to take off this terminal. This one have here. I'm putting the original thing. Yeah, Nissan Tiida. What it had before, and back to the original thing with the tools. So this Tiida completed.